Hello and welcome to our channel. In 100 years, who would have imagined what we could do? From horse-drawn carriages to self-driving cars, like Elon Musk's Tesla, our innovation potential is limitless going forward. Discover a list of 5 life-changing technologies that will shape the way we live and work for the next 100 years. Number 1. Serverless Computing. Serverless computing is a new way to use and pay for computing resources. In serverless computing, you don't have to think about servers at all. All you have to do is write code. Because the servers that run and scale your code are hidden behind an API, there are no physical or virtual servers to maintain or protect. Number 2. Biometrics. Biometrics are body measurements and calculations related to human characteristics. Biometric authentication is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals and groups that are under surveillance. Since biometric identifiers are unique to individuals, they are more reliable in verifying identity than token and knowledge-based methods. They are also used to identify persons in groups that require positive identification, such as military and intelligence services, law enforcement agencies, huge enterprises, and other high-security organizations. Number 3. Virtual reality, Metaverse. These technologies with the most potential to revolutionize the way we live and work are augmented reality, Metaverse, and virtual reality. Augmented reality is the use of computer-generated visuals to superimpose on the real world. They can be a visual overlay, a message, or a video, anything that adds to the real environment. A virtual universe is the Metaverse. It is a three-dimensional environment in which people live, work, and play. On a computer, you can add and remove components such as buildings and decorations. You can, in fact, modify anything you want while you're there. The Metaverse is the next step in social evolution, a collective virtual realm similar to cyberspace. It allows you to be whatever you choose. Number 4. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed computing system with high Byzantine fault tolerance. It consists of a growing list of records, called blocks, that are securely linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. Blockchains are typically managed by a peer-to-peer computer network for use as a public distributed ledger. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a type of computation whose operations can harness the phenomena of quantum mechanics, such as superposition, interference, and entanglement. Devices that perform quantum computations are known as quantum computers. Current quantum computers are too small to outperform usual computers for practical applications, but larger realizations are believed to be capable of solving certain computational problems. Quantum computers are believed to be able to quickly solve certain problems that no classical computer could solve in any feasible amount of time. There are currently a number of significant obstacles to constructing useful quantum computers. It is particularly difficult to maintain qubits quantum states, as they suffer from quantum decoherence and therefore require error correction.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Gadgets Dev, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Also like and share.